Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to show product prices as tax included in Odoo. If you want your online store to display prices with tax already included, Odoo makes this very simple to set up. Showing tax-inclusive prices can be helpful because customers can immediately understand the final amount they need to pay. Instead of seeing a lower price and then calculating additional taxes during checkout, they can view a clearer price while browsing your products. This is especially useful for businesses operating in regions where customers expect prices to already include taxes, as it can make the shopping process easier and more transparent. This is especially useful if you want customers to see the final price more clearly while browsing your website, without needing to calculate extra tax on their own. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to find this option and how to enable it. Before making this change, make sure you have the required access permissions in your Odoo database, as website configuration settings are usually available to administrators or users with the correct rights. To get started, open Odoo and go to the Settings app. This is where you'll find the main configuration options for different parts of your system. The Settings section contains many different controls for your Odoo environment, including website, sales, inventory, and e-commerce related options. Once you're inside Settings, look for the Website category. That's where Odoo groups together the options related to your online store and website behavior. After you open the Website category, scroll down until you reach the e-commerce section. Take your time here, because there are several settings available, and you want to make sure you're adjusting the correct one. Odoo provides many different e-commerce settings, so it is important to focus only on the pricing display option to avoid changing unrelated settings. In the e-commerce area, look for the option that controls how product prices are displayed. Here, you'll need to select the setting to display product prices as tax included. Enabling this option tells Odoo to show prices on your website with tax already built into the amount customers see. For example, if a product price is displayed as $100 including tax, customers will see that final amount directly on the product page, instead of seeing a base price and calculating additional tax later. This can create a smoother shopping experience, especially in regions where tax-inclusive pricing is the standard expectation. Once you've selected that option, the final step is to click Save at the top right of the screen. This is important because the change won't be applied unless you save it. After saving, Odoo will update the way product prices appear on your website based on the new configuration. After that, your website will display product prices as tax included. And that's it. The process is quick, but it can make a big difference in how pricing appears to your customers. Clear pricing helps build trust with visitors, because customers know exactly what they are paying before they move further through the buying process. If you're managing an e-commerce store in Odoo, keeping your price display clear and aligned with your business needs is an important part of the customer experience. A well-configured pricing system can also reduce confusion, improve the browsing experience, and help customers make faster purchasing decisions. Just remember that this setting affects how prices are shown on the website, so it's a good idea to review a few product pages afterward and confirm everything looks the way you expect. Check different products, categories, and customer views if needed, to make sure the pricing format is displaying correctly across your store. That way, you can be sure your store is presenting pricing clearly and consistently. Thanks for watching, and that's how to show product prices as tax included in Odoo.